We back in business in Status Fitness. Damn, that rhymed actually. That was a good one right there. I'm not gonna lie. I'm in here with some of the boys, the Physiques New Era boys over there. Out there, we're getting a little bit of a shoot for some content for the page. What the hell I was going with that? Honestly, I mean, I'm feeling alright right now. I think we're back here at Status, and clearly that goes to show we was rocking with it a bit. Honestly, I mean, they got a sauna in that bad boy. I'm ready to go get sweaty after this, and no diddy. I've been real damn like stiff, you know. I'm trying to limber myself up, and we're gonna see how this bad boy goes. I got a back day in here. These boys getting a little bit of a back day in too, back and shoulders. So yeah, shout out to Juan though. It's the cameraman of the year right here, guys. Like y'all ain't know. Guess the new Iron's new cameraman.
I'm sorry, man.
Man, he's been P&E's cameraman too, so we out here putting some more, y'all.
Say nothing, you just gonna see the work, that's it.
See, I ain't gonna say nothing, I'm just the best. Y'all gotta catch up, y'all gotta do all that shit. Yeah, nah, he's the man though, all right? We're gonna get this shit rolling and see what the hell we can get out of it today, folks, all right? Catch y'all on the floor.
Hold on, optics, you ballin', boy.
I don't even know if that thing was recording that whole time, but all we were saying is that was our third set. We're gonna push all the way to failure, and that was a damn good one right there, ladies and gents. All right, let's keep it pushing. So we're getting some behind the scenes action right here, y'all. P&E gang.
Follow me on Instagram.
There you go. What's that? What's that, brother?
One_Mezzo180.
There you go. There you go. There we go. There we go. He said he don't follow back, y'all. He's stingy with that shit. He's stingy with that shit. But let's keep this bad boy going, guys. We got a couple more exercises left. Honestly, I got like 1 or 2 left in me. And everything's kind of fried, and I'm ready for that sauna. We just about to finish this off with a couple pull-ups here. I like to generally finish with them on this specific day because I'm still trying to work on them a little bit. And I don't know, my pull-ups is definitely something that I want to just be a badass at. You know, maybe one day even get a muscle. We're gonna see if we get there one day, ladies and gents. But for now, we better hit this and see how this bad boy goes. Come on. With that light, and that light is beautiful, baby. Come on. Honestly, I'll take what I can get. Damn near crisp 6. It's gonna do it for me, y'all. All right, folks, the camera mic died, so it might even be hard to hear this right now. But we got the rest of the workout in. We cooked the hell up. They're still finishing, they're still going on, but we already got our flicks, we did all our videos. Now we're just gonna hit that sauna and call it a wrap in this bad boy. But if anything, catch you on the next one and make some shit happen in this bitch, ladies and gents. Woo.